Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of CVS, and CVS may seem just a tiny slow, but that doesn't mean we're gonna go inside and not save money. There's tons of really good savings to be had inside, and we have a newer Activate reward. I don't have a full scenario for that because I just didn't have enough digital coupons to make it worth my while, but we're going to talk about a really cheap facial care deal that you can use in that scenario if you like. There's also some really good spend 30 deals. There's quite a few options, more than quite a few. There's actually a lot of options. We're gonna go over those. There's also a printable breakdown just in case you guys need to check it out or want to check it out and everything. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Alright y'all, before we get into the deals, I'm gonna let y'all know that I'm being really risky right now because I have a new phone and it doesn't have a screen protector or a case. So long story short, I won it in a raffle. I have like a new phone, so I need y'all's opinion on something. So obviously I don't make these videos for me, I make it for y'all. So would you prefer if I have, like, for the coupons and everything, if I have them the old way popped up on the screen, or do you guys like it like this where you can see like what it looks like on a phone? Because regardless, it doesn't matter to me. Like, cropping the pictures takes maybe 5 minutes, like not that long of a time. So what do y'all like? Let me know in the comments, because I obviously, like I said, I make these videos for you guys, so I just want y'all's opinion. Also, before you come at me for not having a screen protector in a phone, I did go to 2 different Walmarts today, like before coming here, to see if I could get one. I could only find, like, I want one that's like this where it's smooth on the back, but they only had like anti-slip surface ones for the phone I have, or they had tons of different options for other phones, just not the one I have. So I'm gonna have to order them on Amazon when I get home. Obviously I'm gonna be risky probably all week, so wish me best, I guess. So right now, OGX hair care products are buy one get one 50% off, buy two get $4 in extra bucks. They're $8.99 at my store, so grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $13.49. And we have a $6 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7.49 at the register. Then we'll get the $4 extra buck for buying two, making them $3.49 each. L'Oreal Elvive is on promotion, 2 for $10, and then when you buy two, you'll get $4 in extra bucks. You'll grab whatever two you like. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $6 at the register. Then we'll get the $4 extra buck for buying two, making them $1 per bottle. So Degree deodorant is on a really good promotion. They are buy one get one 50% off, buy two get $4 in extra bucks. The cheapest option is this specific Cool Rush deodorant. They are $5.49, so grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $8.23. Now we have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5.23 at the register, get the $4 extra buck for buying two, making them $1.23 for both. Right now, Neutrogena acne products are on promotion. Spend $15, get $7 in extra bucks. So this is the deal that would work well with the Activate reward if you can hit that spend amount. I'll have it popped up on the screen, but we're gonna put this deal together. Kind of, my store only has one of what I was hoping to grab, so the cheapest option my store has is this clean pore oil stuff. It is $8.49, so grabbing two of them will be $16.98. We have a $3.50 digital coupon that will come off of each one, so we'll get $7 in total to come off. So that means we'll be left to pay $9.98 at the register, but we'll get the $7 in extra bucks for spending the $15, making them $2.98 for both, which I feel is a pretty good deal. Now I do have a spend $20 for Neutrogena and Invino. We'll get $5 off. I'm not going to be putting that deal together, but you may have other products or other coupons that work with things that you might be getting. Right now, there's a decent deal on Irish Spring or soft soap, so they're on sale 2 for $11. And when you buy 2, you'll get $3 in extra bucks. So you're gonna grab 1 Irish Spring and 1 soft soap. Your total will be $11. You're gonna grab it that way because we have a $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring, and we have a $2 digital coupon for the soft soap. So that means you'll be left to pay $7 at the register, but we'll get the $3 extra buck for buying 2, making them $4 for both or $2 a bottle. Y'all, look at this amazing deal. So it's on the Dove products there. Buy 2, get $4 in extra bucks, and this single count beauty bar is included. This is the 3.17 ounce box. That does not focus well. Anyway, grab 2 of them. They're $2.69. Grabbing 2 will be $5.38. There's no digital coupons, but we'll get the $4 in extra bucks for buying 2, make them $1.38 for both, which is pretty great. Now, as you can see, my store only has 1, unfortunately, so I'll have to pass on this deal, but it does show online that it does attach, so you may be able to do it as an online deal if you shop online. Let's put together a diaper and wipe deal for the spend 30. So you can grab the Pampers Swaddlers, or you can grab the 360 Cruisers, the Baby Dry, or the Easy Ups. You'll grab 2 bags. They are 2 for $22. Then you're going to come grab a package of wipes that's on sale for $7.49. Grab whatever one you like. Your total for all 3 products will be $29.49. We're just pennies over this for 98% rule, which is $29.40. So we have a $3 digital coupon for the Pampers, just depending on which one you get. Depends on the digital coupon. And then for the wipes, we have a $1 coupon. So that means we'll be left to pay $25.49 at the register. We'll get the $10 extra buck for spending the 30, making them $15.49 for all 3. So now let's put together some of the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks. I have a 4 off of 16 Schick razor CRT, so I'll be putting this part of the deal together. So they are buy one get one 50% off. So you can grab the cheapest option is either the Schick Ultimate Pubic Skin Protector for $8.99, and then this $3 digital coupon does attach to this, or if you prefer, you can also grab the men's razors that are $8.99, and this coupon does attach to them as well. And then for our second item, we are going to grab the Hydro Silk refill, or you can grab the razor. The razor is 20 cents more, but this is the cheapest option at $11.79. And we have this $4 digital coupon that will attach to it. And since both of them are over the $16 mark, this $4 one will come off as well. So if I were to grab these as part of the spend 30, our total will be $16.28. We're just going to do this part of the deal on its own breakdown. So we have the $3 digital coupon, the $4 digital coupon, and then the spend 16, get $4 off. So it'll make these, without the $10 extra bucks, $5.28 for both. Alright, I want to give a shout out to one of y'all, Lee, who sent me this deal on Instagram. This deal is phenomenal if your store has 2 bags, because you need 2 bags. But Beneful is part of the spend 30, get 10, and their buy one get one 50% off. So my store is at $8.69. So that means 2 of them will total $13.03, which really doesn't matter. I mean, it does if you have 2 and you're including in the spend deal. But we have a buy one get one free digital coupon, and if you're lucky enough, you might have a $2 digital coupon. but the buy one get one free will only take off the 50% amount. So that means it'll take off the $4 and whatever change. I can't do the math. So, and then it will take off the $2 digital coupon as well, is what I'm hearing. So that means you'll be left to pay $8.69 at the register. Or if you have the $2 digital coupon, you'll pay $6.69 if you're going to do this specifically on its own. Then you'll take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta. We have a buy one get one free offer, making them at my store $1.19 for grabbing 2 without the spend 30 deal, which is a phenomenal stock up price. My dog wouldn't eat this, but I would have donated it if my store had to. And yes, I asked the cashier if there was any in the back, just to be on the safe side, and unfortunately there isn't. Another item you can grab is this Febreze car. It's the 2 count. They're $5.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon for these. Or you can grab the Airwick Advanced plug. It is on sale for $4. And we have a $3 digital coupon that works for these. Now, if you want, we also have a Coupons 24 app digital coupon for the Febreze. We also have it on the Febreze plug scent booster. It's on sale for $9.99. Or you can use the coupon on the app. It's a $5 digital coupon. You can also grab the Downy Rinse and Free Refresh. This on sale for $6.99. We have a $1.50 digital coupon and a coupon on the 24 apps as well. Or you can grab the Downy scent beads, so like this Unstoppables. I don't think these ones are included, but I only scanned this one, to be quite honest. It's on sale for $5.49. This is the 5-ounce one, and we have a $2 digital coupon for this one. The last 2 options I'm going to show for this that I think are worth the while are the Bounty 2 = 4. It's on sale for $5.99. We have a $1 digital coupon for these. Or we have the Charmin that's on sale for $5.99. And we have a $1 digital coupon for this one as well. So this is just one of the scenarios for the spend 30 deal. So we have the Schick razors, the Bounty, and our Charmin. We're going to have our total come to $29.46. So we're over that 98% rule. For digital coupons, we have the $1 for the Bounty, the $1 for the Charmin, the $3 for the disposable razors, the $4 for the non-disposable razor, and the $4 off of 16 CRT. That means we'll be left to pay $16.46 at the register, but we'll get the $10 for spending the $30, making them $6.46 for all 4 products. Another way to do this deal is to grab all 5 of these products. Your total will be $31.96. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty, $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, $5 digital coupon for the Febreze, a $3 digital coupon for the Febreze car, and a $3 digital coupon for the Airwick Advance. You'll be left to pay $18.96 at the register, but we'll get the $10 extra buck for spending the $30, making all 5 of them $8.96, which is even cheaper than just buying this on its own on sale. Small boxes of Pop-Tarts are 2 for $4, no digital coupons needed. Alright y'all, this is everything I am grabbing today. Let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went well. Before I get into the breakdown, if you live in the north part of the United States, please take careful to be, depending on where you are, the Canadian smoke from the Canadian wildfires have been hitting me, like where I live in Wisconsin, pretty hard the last couple days, and you can actually see it in the sky and everything, so just be cautious on if it's going to be hitting your area or not. Also, don't forget to vote on what kind of how you like to see the deals and everything, because like I said, I don't mind doing either one. Otherwise, the breakdown goes as follows. I grabbed everything that I showed you guys in the cart, and then for digital coupons, we had the $4 L'Oreal, we had the $4 Schick, what does that say? $3 for, oh, Degree, I can't read. Then we have the $3 for the Schick. We have $1 for the Bounty, $1 for the Charmin, $4 off of 16 for the Schick, and then I used a whole bunch of extra bucks, $21 worth. So my subtotal was $11.19. Now I did roll that out of a gift card, so I didn't actually pay anything technically. I cashed out one of the rebate apps. I can't remember which one. I just have a screenshot of it. I did it a while ago. I totally forgot about it, to be quite honest, when I was going through my other phone, like trying to delete some pictures, because I can't. So I'll answer this right away. Why did I want another phone? Why do I want to keep two phones? I really like this phone. It does work really, like, pretty well, but it has absolutely no storage. When I bought it, I didn't know I would be doing this kind of stuff, so I didn't think I needed a lot of memory. Now I can buy an exterior memory pack for it, but that will just, I would basically have to tape it to it, which would be super awkward and everything. The phone I won, first of all, I didn't spend that much money on it. I don't think I actually would win it, to be quite honest. And it's got 1 terabyte of memory, so that's why I'm also like keeping them separate. Just because that one I don't have to worry about deleting stuff on that often and everything. I can pretty much do whatever I need to do on that phone, like this phone, and then like keep my personal stuff just kind of separate. That way I don't have to try to look through everything, because at work I do take quite a few pictures sometimes. Anyway, so for extra bucks coming back that I forget to show you all the time, we got the $4 extra buck for the L'Oreal Olive. We got the $4 extra buck for the Degree. Then we got, what else we get? The $10 extra buck for the Spend 30. And that's all the deals I did. Now we do have I think it's 4% on Ibotta. If you grab anything using Ibotta, you'll get the 4% cash back. I mean, I could submit for a tracking towards the bonus. If you have a bonus going on right now, I forgot to screenshot it, but it's go to the store like 3 times, get $5, like a $5 bonus. Now, last time I had this, it disappeared within like 1 day, but it doesn't have a expiration date listed for the bonus, so I guess it's just based on how many people get it done really fast. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.